impilo yangaphi Soweto for mina ngibona ngathi suba tough ngizogcina ngiphelele estradeni.
Like ngizamile aziyo labantu laba mina ngikwazi ukuzishelela. Angikhona ukuzishelela like
akamele ushele.
So kumele ushavi.
Wathola naye? Noma ujola naye?
Soweto.
Besijozwa shewe.
Ngibona kahle ukuthi like hey ke ndawo musela. Ngizomenzana mfana hayi.
Mfana wenzeni?
Bangasi angithi usuke somthanda umuntu. Ngizwe ukuthi yazini ngoba like ngibe ngakulambisa nje ukuba like isijola yabo. Akakufe uyihlele hore like ke monate nawo ke monate. Ngibe ngajola nomfana sibe sayenza 13 days.
Like let's say ne ezabafana vele bayatshelana ukuthi okay sharp nibhekeni lo girl ngizomudla. Izinto ezinjalo yabo.
Into engixakayo like uyayibona igay amuhle lo yes angadla bochera mara ukhetha ukuthi bamudla induni. Sesitshitshi. Hayi manje ayibhubhudla.
So sayibhubhudlela.
Hayi ngibona ukuthi ayibona lo angimupha lonke liphelele shem. Isakasi. Mangizwa kwabanye bengijola nawo. Ngazi ukuthi no man they are better than a virgin break.
Anye kuhamba amajiji forever.
Bosubhubhudlile.
Yeah,
But slow.
Yena angithi phela angazwa yathi slow. Why vele uzongitshela kahle.
Kwenzakaleni kwi guest house? Man boye butch.
Bona le ukuthi ngicedele.
Awukuzele sis. Athinile kamereni.
Ya sile ya ngimncabuzile ngimcabuza kamnandi ya.
Yaphelela lapho.
Ya kushuthi mina ngimthene on kahle ke obvious scream. When you put the njombe inside me.
Lenza izinto nje ezirong ezibheke eceleni
Then bese
jive
uyabuya.
ngiziphumela.
Kohlangana noSindle.
Mathata. Baningi.
Mfana unjani uyi-turn off?
Mfana nento engaka.
Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode. And angiko yowani. I'm joined by, who am I with today?
Baby Scott, yeah.
It's a girl Noxy. What is long as me that but still never gets tired unless the owner is careless. Turn around with him see your figure in his sikoda.
But still never gets tired.
Hey,
Oh, shame.
We start to play intro.
Is it?
Is it?
Yes. Cousin Slender, so what? Yeah.
So you don't get tired.
Yeah.
Yeah, not ukushona.
Ngathala, ngisikhathala. Yes.
Okay, let's get to your name, Noxy. Let's first start there. Like, is it your real name, Noxy? Like, usuka kuphi? How did it came about?
Okay, Noxy. Iqhamuke umagaqela unaledi umntana kithi nomngane wami unaledi waseMidlands. Yiwo abazile igama lelo lela kaNoxy. Unaledi wathi mngane wami sibhala ngoNoxy kuma socials yabo nayo magaqela umntana kithi. Athi hayi sibhale ngoNoxy yabo. So like ngavela ke lapho ke ngavela ngathi yazini ngoba like akunamuntu vele unegama lela kaNoxy vele. So yeah, thingibe uNoxy. So qale lapho ka 2024 yeah ngakaphaphile Facebook ngisaseshayi. Qale lapho.
Okay, and then let's get to you. Then no Baby Scott, is it your real name?
No.
What is your real name?
Nickname nje. Ulungile.
Kulungile bani?
Ulungile Ndlovu.
Oh. And how did you get this name, Baby Scott?
Okay, like I'll just break it down because Ubabi came first and then Uskata came after me. So Ubabi like being the best.
Baby girl.
Yeah, Ubabi. Being the best friend like grade 9. So like bekabona ugela ukuthi okay sharp ugela uthanda upink yabo izinto ezinjalo like njengobona na jacket pink ama yeah so ugel nje udecide nje ukungibiza Barbie like Barbie ngaba like okay nami ngalithatha and then like azange aba nalento ukuthi okay sharp uzoba igama like eli popular abantu abangazi ngalo and then ke elaka skatha like ngivele ngadecide nje ucreate isquad yabo sabogela abahle nje and then ke na sa like saza negama elithi skatha and then ke that's when I started like ukuchange username kwaba Barbie Skatha
hayibo
then ke abantu ke sebangijwayele Barbie Skatha yeah ngivele ngahlanganisa
okay mothi squad sabogela abahle so mawumuba ungeni lapha
yeah bongangeni mawumubi
kahle because i-reputation
squad icon
yabo
so ama requirements mele ube muhle
kahle
abe kumele ube muhle shem
face card yiyo nje
into yanini leyo qala squad and what motivated you to start a squad kahle
like mina bengithanda izinto bengithanda like igroup yabangani so yeah nga decide ke uqala isquad and then shem siphumelele yo isquad sami
kodwa mos
like besi on
bathi asikho mos sesiphelile mangathi sishabalele
manje ngithi phela bestumile thina masafika yeah bekuyini last of last year ne or last year early yeah
iqale last of last year makuduma kakhulu last year lapho ke nami sengibalandelela khona busikhathi before ngizoduma
yeah
okay let's get to lento le ka Facebook ane yini ebalekile ngalama cane lo kanwashaya because like mongashaya ikhe like ngathi awuke style or something you guys like have made it like a fashion ukuthi like if you're a girl nje awushaye nane kenyana nje
okay like mina ne because like ngiqale ukreacha i1k ngisase isquad like ngiyengaba kwesinye squad ama squad yabo like i-first up like isome sami sokuqala ngathola nje u1k ukuthi kanjani namangazi yabo angithi vela sifani singabantu so yeah ngathola u1k and then ke ngabona ukuthi kwaya like how yeah sengithola okay nje so like lento le if like ichaza abantu abaningi because wonke umuntu ufuna ukuba ne1k angazi why
khona like bonke bazoyaziwa kahle
yeah because abo mawutholi 1k kuba ngathi vele like ubig
so
yeah
like abantu bayamlwela 1k abanye bathenga nama likes for in asazi
nokuba verified
yeah like bayamfuna
okay le verification ngiyayibona angithi is just ukuthi abantu banga create ama fake account kube just that one account just to secure account ukuthi baza abantu ukuthi this is your real account hence abantu ba verify ama account that one I get but le ama 1k I can't Leo I get a little bit confused at times ukuthi yini ebalekile ngalama case cause vele you're not the first girl even who's this girl uDiamond ugela kaMartinez naye beyakhuluma the very same thing you must get the 1k same speech just different person you know so yeah but anyways it's a girl thing cause Tina is gents I don't know akona majuto nabona alwela bo 1k no
and baningi shem like umuntu ufuna ukuzibona nje
yes ba mention
ukumention like
kuzoba wrong
yabona
manje sibazosilana ma Facebook manje bafuna ukushulisa manje
bazofuna
and leyo powerless ayeka last year
baningi abanye bafuna like ngibapromote ama account wabo
like njengami
yona leyo k le esikhuluma
njengami izolo namba ngithixile bathi ngicela ungishayile edo na sep ngashaya ngebomb for ini wabe ningazinzelwe 1k
yabo so nje umuntu othola 1k nje mamthatha as umuntu obig angazi why
umuntu obig kini umuntu onjani okay let's talk about you guys when you say someone is big umuntu onjani
umuntu onemali yeah one umuntu onemali ne usebenzayo yambona lo muntu like situation yakhe like it's stable yabona njengabo Goldhlubi kanje abona ukuthi lo muntu lo zinzela imali
nabo Predipalisa
nabo Predipalisa
Petro,
nabo
like,
Petro yeah
babig bayaziwa ama-likes
Yabo.
ama-followers like nje indawo bazihambayo like yabo
izinto ezinjalo babig
So Nina, okay, let me understand this. You guys care so much about likes or followers or both?
both
Okay.
yeah for mina both
For wena?
none of the above because Facebook ayisibhadali
and iborela leyo nto shemyazi
kahle kahle
Abantu bayitshela ukuthi musi yanibhadala.
hayibo sithatha phi imali
ayibhadali shemyazi
sithatha phi imali ngoba sithola kubazali imali
Yini yenza ukuthi uFacebook unganikhokhela?
asazi nathi
asazi
Oh.
Yeah, maybe rich.
yeah reach like leta abayifunayo
I think there's a threshold they reach. So I don't think they met that, you see. You need to make views so that but the Facebook iyabhadala. It does
So
pay.
uyenzile le nto yemetha. Gcwalisa le information abayidinga lapha kumetha.
na sikayenzi
Obviously they haven't reached that point ukuthi they can even qualify. So imethe izofika kanjani kubo? So obviously they haven't gotten to that phase. Yeah. Okay. I didn't get your real name.
oh igama lami nokuthula umpho phakathi
Oh.
yeah
Okay, cool. What I wanted to know from you guys, okay, let's start with Ubabi. Ubabi usuka phi, ukhuliswa ubani and stuff like that.
okay like ubabi ukhulele Meadowlands like ikusekazi laphaya zone 5 and then mina ngikhuliswa ugogo nomkhulu apparently cause umama am like eshanye ngithi bekangekho there mara nje akangikhulisanga yabo so ngikhuliswa ama grandparents and then yeah yiba ngikhulisile shem
Okay.
yeah
But did you knew your parents?
yeah ngiyabazi bona
You talk to them?
yeah mara like mina nobaba am like asina leyo bond like asikho that close mara mina nomama am si close ne so ukuthi angihlali naye yeah
Bahlala eMeadowlands na. Okay.
Okay. And which you Noxy?
mina yo tough mina ngikhuliswa ugogo nomkhulu washonela ubaba 2017 mama apparently uhlala no stepfather kuPetersenburg yabo so nami ngikhuliswa ugogo nomkhulu but not biologically but into the family cause umama no malume bewashonela abazali basesebancane kokwami abathatha as officially like lona antwabo abathatha wabakhulisa yabo so yeah
njengabantu abakhuliswe ama grandparent injani nje impilo ngaphandle komzali wakho?
yo mina I feel like impilo right ne cause shem ugogo nomkhulu like ayekho umuntu onecare njengogogo yazi makhulisa ugogo like ufunda yonke into ngelife like you get yeah so umama vele obvious uzomdinga mara obvious mangekho da like there for wena like yeah kuyafana nje mara as long as ngiphethe ugogo wami ayonke into sharp
Yeah.
But
because nakhona uye ngimjwayele kakhulu like ngifree kuye
But was there ever like a point where you felt like, ish, because Safi is cut like ube like, ish, I wish my mom was here or I wish my dad was here.
yeah cause manje ngikumatric like I mean ngiyamdinga umzali yo kuyo yonke into yeah so nokumcabanga yena ngithi eshuma mama yabo izinto ezinjalo mara ngibuye ngizikhuphula ukuthi man why kubele ngibe nendaba cause lo muntu lo like akathathi action plus futhi mina ngi first born so bekumele ngabe like u there for mina kakhulu ukudlula laba abanye like abangilandela emuva.
Oh, you've got siblings?
Yeah.
How many?
2.
Okay.
First
Cool.
lady.
Okay.
Yeah.
And which was there ever a point like where you felt like, ish, there's this position ugogo nomkhulu can't fill, which is i-role mhlambe beyizodlalwa ubaba or umama, or there was never a point like that, like they managed to cover that whole portion to a certain extent ukuthi you didn't even feel like abekho abazali bakho?
Mina ne into engayisho like manje umama ngiyamdinga cause why mingashona la ugogo wami uyashona last year, like umuntu like bengi free kuye as like ubabi ngiyamdinga cause umkhulu wami naye akanandaba nami yabo. Ngikhona ukukhuluma ngalezi zinto lezi, but mama mina ngiyamfuna right now on my situation le mina engikuyo cause umkhulu wami akanandaba nami number 1, akangithengi ngisho kwa toiletry njalo mina guys mina ngikhona ukumention le nto la cause I'm in a tough situation right now. Yeah, one thing I can say, so I'm going to mention.
But you mentioned ukuthi uNokushish is always there for you.
Umama miyena ngiyamfuna if into azangangikhulise. Ngiyamfuna. Literally akuye umuntu engimfunayo. Ngoba nami vele nami ngi first born. Cause umuntu abamnaka kakhulu on my point umntana ngithokugcina.
Ubani omnaka?
Umama like unaka last born akithi.
Oh.
Officially sithuku umama. So yeah.
But have you ever tried hlampe, because now like you're older, you can take a decision to try hlampe contact like try something on your end. Have you done that?
Yes, ngibe ngayomvakashela kodwa like anginye ngihlale ne stepfather sami. Like akusimuntu ngifeel uncomfortable but literally like ngiyabadinga boyithu. Yabona ngiyabadinga bona. So soon ngihamba ngizohlala nabo. Soon cause impilo yangaphi so for mina ngibona ngathi suba tough ngizogcina ngiphelele estradeni. Ayinto engayisho.
Okay, no ngiyakuzwa. Kumanye ama family members, have you tried, because obviously as much as unomama, okay, baba you don't have, but obviously maybe kuside lakabo mama, have you tried maybe kwamanye ama family members, like my extended family members, maybe to try and talk sense into your mom and stuff?
I've tried mangcina ngakhathala cause sale abantu abakithi especially ukhokho wami salamtshela umama ukuthi buya uzohlala nomntana wakho ngoba umntana wakho uyakudinga.
Then wena yini le like lento ekwenza ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi ungagcina mhlambe uphelele estradeni or stuff
kule
like
situation le engikuyo, a situation le ku tough, like really tough kakhulu. I can't even mention it ngoba ngizogcina ngikhala. Yabo, yeah.
Ungathini wena as a friend, as much as you see ukuthi kule situation mhlawumbe andlula kuyona, as a supportive friend as you've always been, or imaphi amagama unokumtshela wona just to keep her motivated and stuff like that, or to comfort her?
Like ukuthi yabo mangafunda afocus esikolweni, obvious uzophumelela athole something like ezomyenza ukuthi abe ngcono, and then like ahlale nomamaki even though like angafeel comfortable ngo stepfather sakhe, maka like abekezela until azaqeda isikolo, and then obvious uzobona ukuthi impilo imbekabi because awazi ukuthi vele like uNkulunkulu ukuphatheleni, you know. So yeah, ntwana, when I just have to focus more on your studies and then nje uhlala nomamakho until ubone na ukuthi impilo ikuphatheleni, because mawufunda maningi like ngizothini like maningi ama opportunities
ongawayenza. Yeah, futhi yeah. So like you vele into engifuna uyenza, like into engifuna uyenza ufuna uqeda isikole, mangiqeda isikole angaba right. Ngoba isikole
Isikolo senzeni
manje? Isikolo sakhathaza.
Yo isikolo.
How?
Ngisikazi yazi.
Isikolo senzani?
Mina sangikhathaza mina. Mara ngizolwela, funa imali phela mina, funa imali yami mina. Imali ethi mina. Hayi ukuthi imali kaMama, oya kaBaba, oya kabani. My own money. Yeah, into engifunayo.
Okay. Bobby, there's something that you mentioned, ne? Ukuthi kwabantu aba big that you mentioned, like so it's about Petro, about Pretty Balisa. Okay. Konda ngifuna analyze man bega ne. I know people will come for me for this, but I don't care. Yeah, well, I'm at that point
Okay.
with manje. I don't give F about a lot of stuff. More bigger, but it's just nobody. They can add their own opinion. You see, more bigger, cause like between Israel Nesowetho, because I feel like if Facebook evolve around those
Places.
yeah, and around those content creators who are within that area, you see. So more bigger, in fact, man bigger. Yipi hlampe ungathi hlampe ikas which is doing the most in terms of Facebook manje, because I feel like okay, we had our influencers before because the key they were owning Facebook and stuff like that, but a lot of them they've emotion like yele ayehla, some of them. You see, I'm not saying like they lost touch or whatever, but abanye emotion yele ayehla. You see, and it happens and it's normal. You see, you can't have emotion like every time. Emotion ibuyehle, then you need to get up and
take a break bese qeta lapho uzokhuphuka.
Yeah, then you bounce back again. So man beka hlampe ikase ngathi is doing the most man between Israel ne Soweto.
Soweto.
Why do you say that?
Senza kakhulu like
Soweto
kumnandi mara
like kune competition.
Soweto
Like Soweto kunabantu abaningi
like kune peer pressure man, kune peer pressure legcwele lana
Go social media.
yeah especially on IG and even Facebook too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because ama-influencer amaningi nje
Facebook yeah Soweto especially Middlelands actually Soweto yonke
yeah, it's Soweto because hayi Soweto shem kune competition yo
inkulu kabi
and baningi.
Imama influencer that you think you guys are doing big at this point?
Petro Nopalisa
Yeah,
And who else?
ayabona leya too.
aliyathulela mangikhula ngifuna ufana nabo
Yes.
cause hayi imjulo yamanje ayisuka
Siyo.
kusiyo
Nayana ifisa lento ema relationship content and stuff. Cause ngabe kade naye.
Mina ngine experience yo. Angine experience
mina
shem.
times more
Yo mina ngine experience yo.
Experience what was happening?
Like yabona mina mangijola one thing about me, like being make sure ukuthi we take pictures and then we post like ukubonisa ukuthi okay ngiku relationship because ngiyazi like yo ngithola ama likes like nje ngiyacomplimentwa yabo ene nga realize ukuthi man yo akusilento engiyifunayo because manje kuzoba ngathi ngithanda abafana izinto ezinjalo yabona bese bangikhuluma ukuthi like ngijole kanti ngiya because last year ngijolile yo and ngijole nemihlolo kuphela like sorry to say guys mara ya ngijolile yo ene bengihlezi ngisho ukuthi nabo bonke like yo bonke shem
Ba post.
yeah
some
applies to
ndaba
me.
bengiziphilela yo mara no sengiright angizikhuphulile yo yeah
Jole nemhlolo.
yo nemihlolo
ingane ama-grade trouser nkosi yami eish
and it's not like abanye bengibathanda bese
Hayibo.
ngenzela like ifame
i-content
and
yes.
because mina umuntu engijola naye ha bese kaduma shem ngivele ngabona ukuthi labantu laba
Lento-
badlala ngami yo
lento
Bangithanda,
yama-public relationship
yeah ayikho
so like a
right,
private relationship it's better than i-public relationship because kuzoza like inkulumo ezisinakuthi ukuthi yena ubaba uyafeba unokusi uyafeba yabo hayi umuntu wakho simbonene yabo izinto ezinjalo so a private suitable relationship
plus
it's good.
kunomadlelana la ngaphandle hey uploada nomuntu kanti ubhizi nalo
kanti nalo
Eish, kuningi nje ngomjolo
mina futhi mina ayimphiki mina ngibhizi nabantu babantu mara ngizothula
Wena ubhizi nabantu babantu.
Basho kanjalo vele.
nadlala mina ayi okay bengibhizi nabo kudala manje ayi mina ngisazi ukuthi actually into engimina engiyifunayo mina ngifuna umuntu ozongi-understand man ukuthi like ngikweyiphi situation as that guy said ukuthi ngiyophi situation a guy who's going to be there for me trust honestly no empty promises too, cause usabe sonyenza isilima ngizothi ngiza ku athayima kancane izinto ezinjalo cause ngine XP vele yabo. That's why mfana usangena isikolo.
Yebo. So ufuna laba after school?
Yeah, ngifuna umuntu osaqeda isikolo. Sekazi ukuthi yabona manje umuntu wami usesikolweni. Ithi ngimfakele imali manje baby where are you? I'm at school ngikufakele imali na. Khona uzodlina udlile na. Hayi umfana uzothi baby ngilambile. Yo, hayi ithi ngihambe nyophanda. Saphanda. Phandela in. Hayi faka imali man. Ngibani cash out ukuthi seyenile la. Okwekhadini lami.
But lento lena ibu is confused almost. Are you guys dating for money or dating for love?
Love
dating
and money.
for love, but then you have to
Have to provide money to us.
Who needs to pour money?
50-50.
It's a man.
50-50.
amajita yo.
Ay mara amajita kakhulu phela thina sisebenzi phela. Mina ngisebenzi mina nginabazali.
Okay, what if like uthola vele nomuntu ongasebenzi and like uyamthanda?
Hey, swenzi plan baba.
Mara nakhona umfana
Ay mara mina imela phanda.
Because sini i1 I think indlela yokuphanda and which is asiyenzi. Angithi asiyenzi lento ecala.
Asiyenzi vele.
Yeah.
For girls, that's the only way. More
Yeah, that's the only way
that's the
for
only way.
other girls, not us.
Yeah.
Cause mina ngithengisa. No. Angithi bathi ngiyathengisa.
Hayibo, basho kanjalo.
Hey.
Lol shame.
Bathi ngiyathengisa.
Why do they say that? Because of the
Because
tape?
of the tape last year and apparently abazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni mabathi ngiyathengisa. Shuthi ke ngithengisela babo who knows. Sas maybe bakhona la kuma DM wethu. Ngoba namakula khona la kuma DM wami. Ngiyakutshela.
Ayafuna now.
Mina bayangifuna.
Ayabahambi la.
Hayi mabahambi 30 mazishaye.
Baba mina wayehlangana noBhabi ngasikudala. Khona ilinkulele ngiapproachile. Athi lady. Masimaqeda ukufuna umbamba isandla. Ngithi wenzani manje wena? Uzohamba ngamaphaca inyawo zimpunga Nkosi yami. Hayi. Asithona bahambe ngeyi30. Bahambe.
Okay. Asithathe because my sis go hotspot ane. Asithathe sibuyiseleni back emuva. Yabo.
Last year.
No, not last year. Okay, asiqale ku Bhabi. Like lento on Facebook ikuthole kanjani? Like being in love with fame and being popular, you know.
Okay, so like as ngishilo ukuthi name isithombe sami sokuqala like si reach 1K. So like ngaqhubeka nga-uploada and then abantu baqala ukungifollowa. Okay, because last year mangikhumbula kahle last year December benginama followers like 15K followers ku Facebook. And then this year ukuthi ngifike kanjani ku because now like ngiku 41K followers. Yeah, so mina shema ngazi ukuthi ngifika kanjani yazi lapho. Maybe like ithome zami zabahlanyisa phela abantu. Ithome zami.
Abantu abaningi.
Nakhona like bathi mina ngizothini i-content yami. Like abantu bayithandile. So like mina ngiyathandeka kahle umuntu wabantu nje. Ngiyathandeka umuntu owaziwayo nje vele. So yeah, ngibe popular kanjalo nje.
Okay. When fame ithola kanjani?
Yo.
Facebook influencing.
Mina ngaqala ukuduma last year March on my first fight nabanye abantomazana basemidlweni season 9. Okay, mangiqala ukulwa kanjalo.
Wona umashayana ne?
Eish,
Uyafana noShansi.
This one, yo, bullfighter shem ngibone ngami makasikho lapho.
Ngiyabo ngayimention le.
Sambe sizwe kahle.
Okay, kuza ukuthi like mangiqala vele ukulwa nalamantomazane lawa. How mangipost video mangiyona nalo girl bathi ubani submarine ngobani naloyo. Efike 1.5K. Yabo. Hayi ngaqala ukubona vele lapho ngithi awusekunya 1K yo yabona nami yangihlanyisa nami yabo because like
Yeah, cause uyahlanya vele
yeah yabo izinto ezinjalo ayikena ayi after lapho ngayenza ngapost isithombe ngathi app10 afika ku 6.8K likes lapho. Yeah. lapho ayo umuntu sale alwa. Then on my second fight bokusesikolweni bokuyimi noNjuju Hectorson ngaqala lapho ukulona ngaqala lapho ukutrenda kakhulu.
Ngiyibuza lento lena. Kahle ama Hectorson they were girls called Hectorson girls angithi.
Yeah, they were so pretty.
Like bebabahle.
Yo, especially uNjuju.
Eso squad is based kuphi?
Yo, uNjuju muhle yo.
I think most abahlala ezola.
No, bahlala eDobsonville. Bonke.
But abala iSoweto.
Yeah, bala iSoweto.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, oyani uNjuju is like I said ngena na isikolo. Yeah, njengoba benyilwa like naye ngaqala lapho yini asthma, ngathi ngine asthma. Yeah, tune asthma ini nje lokuhlezi ngithuka ini ngakazi njalo. So ngaqala lapho trenda kancane yabo. Ngatrena lo ngipose ngithola okay yabo. Okay, okay nokusi at least icontent yenzayo ku Facebook. Ayikena ngaqala lapho ukujola nomfana kanje ubani Uncle Moy Malibu wase Dobsonville.
Ngisho ngicabanga ngomunye wase K1.
No akusuya la.
Ngiyambona lo wase K1.
Ngiyambona. Okay. Angicela ukujula naye yabo. Ake bokuyiye like couple content best ku Facebook for mina yabo. Okay, sale swabo 1k 2k 3k yabona lapho. Okay, into ukuthi mina la senze ukusehlukane ukuthi ngitrende ngamanuthi ku Facebook.
Haw, nahlukaniswa yiloko.
Yeah, angidampela lokho but it's okay. Mari unforgettable ex. Yabo. Yeah.
Why unforgettable?
Cause he's the one. Mina nginandaba nalabantu engibusy nabo ukuthi bazothini. Ma uncle Malibu Kutlwana. That boy kusena. Namanje azingisamthanda. Ngamanje sibambe 1 year. I don't wanna lie. Yabo. So yeah.
Ngizoyibona le video abuye.
Yeah, abuye.
Yeah, noma ngayibukela.
Ekhaya mjita, buye ekhaya. La ekhaya mama, buye ekhaya.
Salafuna nama perfect man sala ngithi awubuya phela. Ha, mara it's okay. Okay, ukuthanda kwami iqala ni. Azingithande kanjani? Kwenzakala ukuthi lo muntu lo angitext athi I got your numbers from Facebook. Yabo. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi like ufuna ukuba status viewer yabo. Hayi ke, okay. I said, don't you mind me sending a wallet 3,000? I mean, bese ngicabanga like shocks mina lapho ngathi yo unyenzani lo muntu.
Kusho yena ufuna ukusenda.
Kusho yena ufuna 3k bese kayisendula umuntu wakhona. Ngabe sikusho dipin. Ayikena umuntu wakhona. As introducer nami ngasintroduce. Ngayimtshela location wrong because ngisemiddle zone 9. Mina ngamtshela ukuthi ngisemiddle zone 1, yabo? Hi, okay, yena. Hi, athi if you want me to send 3,000 ngisendela amanuthi yabo umuntu akhona ngisendela ama video ayi3 ngikhombisa ukuthi ngenze kanjani ngisdj kanjani. Hayi ke mina ngathatha ama rules step by step ngaba yilena ngizo esikoleni bengafocus le bengifocus ngakhona efonini.
Hayibo. Imaphi lama video akusendele wona manje?
Like amanuthi amantombazana like bas DJ yakhona basifika basifaka izinto yabo to vagina yabo. Hayi kena nokuthola thatha ifone yakhe ebusuku ngabo ma 10 ayibeke toilet mzuzu kuyabanda mpo and boku this month futhi
June.
No, it was needed wanzaka May.
Okay.
30 May.
Okay.
Yeah. Hayi kena ngayenza khona manye lo ngiyenza ngamsendela I think ngimsenda ama video 4. I think so. Yeah. And ungitshelile ukuthi like ngingasendi ngeview once ngikhombise nobuso.
Okay.
Yabo. Ngithi maybe ke ufuna ukuzikhiphela wona makavukelwe ashaye indlwabe. Yabo. Hayi ke that's okay sharp. Ngamenzela okay asend screenshot ukuthi na ngisendile uzoyikhipha se16. Hayi ngoba like bengihamba ngetransport last year. Hayi manje ngoba bangibhenile vele kithi bathi no more transport. Alento engiyenzile. Okay. Angithixta ngabo ma 4 ekseni AM and umuntu bekavuka ngo5. Okay uthi hi ngathi hi. Okay ngahamba ngayibhavini ngayogeza yabo. Mangicela ukugeza everything yabo. Angisendela i message athi if awufuna ukutrenda senda 300 eye voucher otherwise uyatrenda. Mzuzu umuntu uphethe 50 rand ukera, mzuzu umuntu ulinda nane transport ukuthi izomlanda. Ngigijime ngemakuleni ngekhanda elikhulu, ngithenga ivoucher ngimsendele yona athi after school ngifune 200. Ngathi unkela guy papa never. Yazini ngamyeka kancane. Hayi ngiyabona sekasenda i-screenshot athi sekasendela abantu abayi4. And umuntu oqala uqeda ukumsendela ubashabalala ohlala eDobsonville umngani wami. Yabo? Hayi mama sendela ngimfonele ngithi umntwana osendithi video so and ngikupa usayipost akayi khuleka nje yami ayengenzele into leyo yabo. Ayi asendela abomama abafazi abanemlomo emingaka. Yo ngathi
sendele she
na ukusendela ungisendele ne-screenshot
Sendele ku via app.
no via Facebook.
mina ngisendele ku-app angazi ukuthi wathathe ama number ami because ungisendele wonke ama video wakho.
Ubani igama lakhe because uthoyi introduced.
I don't know athena uhlala eDurban umuntu akhona and like ngathi Nigerian. Mina ngangikhombisa ngathi usebenzisa iPhone. Ngakuma screenshot la beka ngisendela wona sebenzisa Android. Anyasola no umuntu osaround mina. Umuntu like ongaziyo kodwa mina akusumuntu engimcabangayo. Yabo around la eSoweto. Maybe Middlelands, maybe Dobsonville, I don't know. Yabo. Hayi kena ngamtshela ngathi yazini cause mina anginasikhathi sokuncenga nabakithi vele angibancengi phela mina kithi mangithi ngicela into eso njengemali ngicela ngisendele imali hayi sizokusendela kusasa ifika ilanga sizokusendela abatshe ukuthi angincengi cash up ayekani ngoba vele ngincengi vele hawo okay kena
Ubukunyeke uthanda ukuthi asincengi
shansa la yabo okay ngisho ukuthi njengoba ngimtsho ukuthi angincengi yabo yenza into ejabulisa inhliziyo yakho because yiyo literally into ekujabulisayo. Hayi ke unokusi wa trend hayi ngibe ngatrend nkosi yami yazi hayi ngoba ngitrendile
so iphini azange sayisenda
azange sayisenda iphini
but bekutshengisa ukuthi uyifakile le 3000
yeah ngikhombisa
so when you were tempted by ukuthi yo such amount vele nje ukuthi
bekuthemba vele ukuthi like ngizoyithola vele imali yabo ayikena after 2 days umuntu bese kathanda ku Twitter nomama nomalume wami banayi Twitter yabo ubaba wami bese afuna ukungishaya athi nokuthula akukhulume ukuthi bangibiza ngoStombi because that's my nickname vele yabo because I'm a 6-month child.
Okay, Stombi.
I don't know ngangibiza ngalelo gama bangibiza ngalo kithi yeah okay but it's okay sengijwayele yabo okay yeah bathi Stombi awukhulume ukuthi like kwenzakaleni la ngimexplainele mzuzu bengikhala yabo bethi akafuna ukungishaya mama because mama vele akajwayelanga vele ukungishaya ufuna ukuthi like ngikhulume khona azongiyekela ngimtshela ukuthi mama ay umuntu lo bekangisendele 3000 ebengithembile ukuthi sokunikeza 1.5 wena uthengele wine njengoba uyithanda nezinto ozithanda mina uzothatha ihalf yabo athi hayi okay manje imali kuphi ngithi mama akayisenda ngathi abo wangikela from lapho ke mama ngatrenda kwafika boma silweni October ne
ngisakhumbula shem
yeah October
ngakhona
okay we'll get to that don't jump to E18
okay
yeah we'll get to that
yeah ngatrenda from lapho ke till December Noxy DJ yona Noxy hey DJ
lento ba DJ vele kade legama le
kade vele likhona
bathi u DJ Maporis
yeah bathi DJ Noxy bathi mele bakubhuke wena yabo DJ abo Caps abo izinto ezinjalo and like mangiceda ukutrenda abangani bami bonaledi bathi ungalinye ukhali Noxy yabo izinto ezinjalo ngibe ngakhala bese ngicabanga suicide thought ngathi yazini
serious ufikile to that extent
yeah ngifikile to that extent mara zangiyenze ngathi yazini fuck man angimina ngiyengizozibulala nginenhliziyo eqinile yensimbi mina angizozibulala ngisafuna ukujive mina ngisafuna ukuphusa yabo so yeah
okay nje did you gain followers like out of
too much
that trending saga
too much because now I'm on 33k followers on Facebook if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Then, cause khona abantu abangayinaki utrending ngento embi but you still gain ama followers.
Yeah.
You see, so kahle it's cool ukuthi utrending ngento embi sometimes, cause now you gain out of that most.
Yeah, ngoba literally anginanda abangibekile isingoma setafuleni. So what was? Yeah, ngithrendile izinto ezimbi angazi ngathona into enhle.
Yeah, uzoya confirm straight ukuthi utrending ezinto ezimbi
Hayi
kuphela.
vele zimbi vele yabo.
Okay. And then okay, let's go back to
Baby Scatter.
Scatter. Okay. Scatter, when you mentioned that you tried relationship content and stuff like that and none of them worked. So now if you were to be in a relationship, would you still publicize like your relationship?
No.
Wow, what changed?
Like ngizothini vele? Like ngibonile ukuthi nje ama public relationship doesn't work cause
No, but now Petro nobalisa must it's working.
yeah, cause
Yeah,
like bona
fona.
seba nesikhathi eside
Yeah, bajola.
Okay, mina ngasho ukuthi like I relationship mayisaqala sizoyikhipha like private
Maybe for 1
until
year.
isikhathi sihambe yabo.
Yeah.
And then after masengifeel ukuthi okay sengiready like nathi sesiyabona ukuthi asijolile la like into on vele. Yeah, and then ke sizoshutha izinto ezinjalo.
Can't one post after how many days? We not post the same day when
Exactly. Mina bengachitha isikhathi.
No, what was? We are in a
Abengachitha
hurry.
isikhathi.
same day.
Yeah, same day.
Yeah, me look guy social Facebook wonke.
Yeah, until the guy was mine. So why do I have to
Ufihle.
Hide
yes.
him.
Yeah.
And why makuthiwa ngoba nini niyaba post ama gents kuthiwa yini enthanda amadoda? Why bangathi ama gents athanda amantombazana?
Bayasho. Abafana bathanda amantombazana, bathanda iskate. So ukuthi thina like yo. Hayi thina shem. Siyaposta like siyaposta. Amantombazana ayaposta yo.
Yeah, ne?
Aposta ukudlula abafana.
Abafana, yeah.
And nakhona like uma umuntu waziwayo posta yonke into man. Like uyaposta nje awunandaba ukuthi abantu because uyazi uzothola like ama likes amaningi yafana
And gain more followers again.
Yeah.
The aim is to gain followers, isn't it?
Yo, mina
The
aim is
more
to
you
gain
get likes,
followers.
it's the more people follow you.
Yeah. And the more you do like a content, it's the more you gain followers again.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
True. Lapo, you're right. Okay, then tell me, because you said when most abantu bojola nabo bobenza popular. Kanti bowusukela nje ama-gents nje angekho popular you make them popular.
No, like ngamkhulumela ne. Ama-gents angekho popular. Bamtexta bathi hey uyangichaza nini ukujola nayo izinto ezinjalo. Yeah, bahlangane bashuthe post together kaya share. So guy the more athola more followers and likes again.
Because bayabona ukuthi you okay, ugayi
Yeah.
uthola no-Baby Scatter
Yeah.
naye sebayaqala ukumfollow
Yeah.
izinto ezinjalo.
Why bungafuna umuntu na mhlawumbe popular or something?
Like ngizamile aziyo labantu laba hayi. Mina ngikwazi ukuzishelela. Angikhona ukuzishelela like
Akamele
ngizishelele.
ushele
So kumele umuntu azele and mina
Hey.
ngihlezi nginebhadi labantu nje
abazelale.
yeah abantu nje abalekhayo yabo nje. So yeah
Abantu abalekha abantu abanjani labo?
500 kuyaphansi.
mina I never said that ne nooks.
Makavele.
Leyo.
Mina MP kuyashem.
Ushavi una how many? Ngibona 7K or something.
Hey Ushavi.
Wathola naye? Noma ujola naye?
So it's who?
Best job.
It's Tembo. He polygamist.
The polygamist.
I didn't know.
Mara
it's my
like
first
mina like besenza private relationship angathi hayi yo ngizojola noShavi. Shavi phela ubeya ku ubabi ayakungani wami unaledi. Waza kimi angabona.
Wena honda nonke mos.
Yo. For mina ne we round the middle lens ekubena sithi ne. Yeah.
Yini leni ithanda ngoshavi vele?
Ay mina yikho.
Yo.
We influencer noma what? Because mina which means samela sebenze kanzima ngimazi mos mina.
Ushava kusi-influence umfana nje wasekazi naye. Uhlala phi? Emlapho ne? Yeah.
Ngiyadlala
Umfana nje okhona
Ahlala
ku-Facebook. No.
So naye ukhushulwe nguwe. Ukhushulwe nguwe kwi.
Yeah, into engayisho. Yeah.
kanti sekane-cloud yini
Nibuza mina? No.
which means umsizanga mos
Angimsizanga
'Cause abalastanga.
kuyafana like amakasijolile yo. Like bekuyinto ukuthi siyajola siyahlukana, siyajola siyahlukana.
Yahlukana.
Yeah.
Mara
Mara ngimsizile yazi.
Stop and go yani
Mara ngimsizile.
Nokusi bufunani kushavi. Because buwazi ujola nomngane wakho.
no, boku before like sizozwana mina noBhabi.
No baby. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
ubufuna ukubahlela ubhabi
Yeah.
I know
Sorry Bhabi, sorry.
Ayakhamba
Mara like-
kahle kamampela.
Mara like nakhona sijole 2 days.
ha
Yeah.
ayiko
Ngibona kahle ukuthi like
ngiyaqala ukuyizwa shem.
ngibona kahle ukuthi like hey ke ndawo musela. Ngizomenzani mfana ungaha hayi
mfana wenzeni
bangasi type yambeka too dark.
Yo.
Oh.
ufuna ama light skin man
Not too light, not too dark. It's like me. I'm not too light, I'm not too dark. I'm normal. Caramel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mel.
Yini obithanda ngoshavi?
Yo, hayi mina yikho yo. Like uke ngabona nje ujole nje just for the sake of dating.
Angithi bathi laba babi.
ungabi nje single nje mhlambe for that period of
Yeah,
time
because
Yeah,
last year bengazizwa kahle mangisingile. Eish. Angithi vele bashela ukuthi mina ba change abafana.
boba shintsha vele
No, it's not like that. Eish.
how
Like,
it's like
how it's like it's like bengifuna nje ukuzibona ngijola nje. Mara ukuthi ngijola ngoba ngiyathanda. Like bengijola nje for the sake of dating.
which means bongeke umthathe serious mos leyo muntu leyo just for the sake of dating
Yeah.
But I
But
Like-
bongumupha mara.
I
No.
know.
Like yabona one thing about me wonke lama past engijole now akekho no one. Like
Utholile.
yes.
Same applies to me.
Akekho
Mara
like one.
Uncle Moy. Yeah. I am picky.
Mara ngine ex.
Uncle Moy ngimuphe. Mara dingangijudge guys bokuthando. Ngimuphe sihlukene. Yeah.
Is it a bad thing?
It's not a bad thing. It's not.
nah it happens
Yeah, angithi usuke somthanda umuntu. Ngisuke ukuthi yazini ngoba like ngibe ngakulambisa nje ukuba like isijola yabo. Akukufe uyihlele hore like ke monate na wa ke monate. Awa. Mara anyways,
Yo.
asikho lapho.
Cha uzositshela phela ifeedback ukuthi
Yo.
feedback umnandi na.
Na kithepile ke monate na. Ya ngibe ngajola nomfana sibesayenza 13 days. So this year futhi
13 days
yeah ngoJanuary.
niloko busy
Yeah. Morning glory. Afternoon glory. Night glory. Morning glory. Afternoon glory. Night glory.
they say Christmas is not every day but
Yeah, it's not every day.
it is mos it was
For yena.
yeah hey
Mara like yabamazi umfana khona cause he's not into Facebook. And akekho popular futhi na ku IG.
I bet.
Abantu abamaziyo.
anisamfuna umuntu obudumile ne
Yeah.
Yeah. Labafana babheja ngathi. Like bayabheja. Yo.
kanjani
Like let's say ne ezabafana vele bayatshelana ukuthi okay sharp nibhekeni lo girl ngizomudla. Izinto
Yabo.
ezinjalo yabo. Bese bathi okay asibheje. Mangamthola ngigayima leso izinto ezinjalo. Sebabheje.
Ubhejelani ngekhekhe yomuntu.
And nakhona abafana like bayaphapha yo. Ayabo mama labantu. Legenda le.
bafazi. Legenda yena. Kahle legenda yena ayikho right. Ayikho right. Babona kahle ukuthi like
Bayakhuluma like why
why too much like
silungisenda ngimfaki mina
no asifaki sesiyasho ukuthi igender yini.
in January yabo.
ngiyadlala nami okay
ngoba kabe singamention na nobabili yabo sasho ukuthi legendary cause like asazi ukuthi nani kwe EP situation no I didn't say so like asazi ukuthi like nani loyal kubafazi beni yabo ngani ko loyal yabo cause hey
boys are boys, man. Hey.
Boys are trash.
Yeah.
Yes.
As much as girls are girls, and they will always be girls.
Exactly.
Mara make na my lesbian. Yeah. Cause we understand. Hey, mara like yazi mina into ngixaka like uyayibona igay amuhle lo. Yes. Angadla bochair. Mara ukhetha ukuthi bamudla induni. Bese lesbian izokhetha ukufaka isandla kubena nekukeka etight like my imagine mina yangixaka literally yangixaka
I'm
confused
Eish, but ubutshela nelesbian mos.
yeah wethu yabengitshela naye bengifuna ufila like ukuthi mawutshela namantombazana like it's the same like dating boys yabo kanti no man mara like yimi like ngimhethile
womhethile
yeah wethu ayengiphike ngimhethile cause bengitshela nomfana kanje ubanele RSA yamaza ngithi yeah bengitshela naye ekubeni bengitshela no-wethu in the same time yabo it was last year
so bebakopa ngapha bekudla
no last year bengisase ichichi early ngabo ma January until September bengisase ichichi hayi manje ayipupula
so ipupudlile
ningangibuzi ngebody count ningangibuzi
which means it's too high mos
it's not too high
it's above the normal
ish ningangibuzi ngazo man ish ayiwayi
then ubani i-vision break is it styles or ubani
from the styles yeah we vision break yeah yeah Saraman Panis yeah vision break oh umthanda mfana bengimuthanda yeah ngibona ukuthi ayibona lo angimupha lonke liphelele shema isakasi like angifuni ukumkhuluma kabi yabo yeah maka yena
but kuyenzeka uthi nomfana lona like ngifuna ukumupa then bese angalithathi mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi angalidli ngendlela eright
yabo that's why ngafuna umkhuluma because mangizwa kwabanye bengithola nawo ngazi ukuthi no man they are better than virgin break cause last mina baka breaker that deck was so big like big maloku uya ngiyabona man why sishrinka manje I'm being honest. I'm being for real. Mara, it's okay. It's okay. Mara, I want to let it in this and I'm not the shame. Hey, so I couldn't see this guy. Papa, Tabaki was born. Hey,
you know, show na skat. You guys are Facebook influencers. God and trend and listen to lazy. It's not something new, mos.
Zipizinto.
Yeah?
Zip.
Did I stare? Okay. Okay. A sentence so. Okay. Let me get back to Bobby. Bobby, when to what extent like ube like, yo, this guy, he deserve that thing.
Yo. As cause mina lezinto lezi like akusinto zami. Yeah, for real.
Why? Akusinto zakho.
Mina
akusinto zakhe mos.
Mina ngihamba matshitshi last year futhi. Not so long ago. But then it happened ukuthi ya sekuyisikhathi ukuthi ngwayeke manje.
Wayekeleni?
Wayekeleni? Angeke uhamba matshitshi forever.
Bosupopudlile.
Yeah, ish. Yeah.
Uceliwe nawashiwa ibhasa ke. Washiwa ibhasa lemhlanje. Uceliwe partner washiwa ibhasa mos naye. Wena what happened with you?
So like mina bengumuntu like uhamba matshitshi kimi. Yeah. So it happened ukuthi i-ex yami cause ngine-ex eyi-1 yabo. I-ex yami hey
Ne-ex eyi-1
yeah.
but your body count gets over 20 mos.
Hayi
No ways.
hayi over 20
1 like for real 1 angasho nayo baby lapha ngiyadlala eyakusubaby mara ngasho 1 like 1
But last year busy mos.
Maybe that's why angizange amanyithi before kuma past wami wonke akekho no1 like oyitholile.
Yeah, but
Still
you were dating them.
yeah mara
It counts.
no.
How? It doesn't.
So-
Kanti masibala into ama-body count kubala vele abathole
Yes, i body
Yeah.
count like if I know ukuthi udliwa abantu abangaki.
mara like mina on my side ne ngibona
Asibali
ukuthi
different mos.
ngibona ngathi
Ngokufana man.
i-body count ethiwe ule nomuntu boma 3 rounds mina ngasho ke uyakuthi i-body count ami ke maybe is 2 is 3 mara zangisho kanjalo yabo
Wena yakho show is a ticking bomb yo.
ibo
Kahle ni body count like niyithatha kanjani like
ngoba like ekugcineni kukiba tight
yabo njengeyami surely manje tight like
Ah.
ukuthi surely like
like it's tight
Uyayizwa?
yes
ngiyenzele into le yo da like not dala wayingithi dala like nomuntu oyi1 khona asisakhulumi nje uyi-ex yami kuphela.
We virgin break.
Yes. Yeah, we virgin break.
So i-body count yakho vele is just 1.
Yeah,
Okay.
mina ningangibuze
it's 1. So hey guys, yo bengamelanga ngikhiphele mara seniyazi oh well.
But
Mara, yeah.
but nithi lento le iyabuye libe tight vele.
yes
No
Mara
matter
not-
ukuthi
mara not to that extent ukuthi like so bayitshitshi no
Awubi chichi.
maybe ba
Uyibhubhudlile
Yebo.
uyibhubhudlile.
Angithi
Like I said,
mayi-
so moyibhubhudlile vele uyibhubhudlile.
awuyibhubhudlile
like sekumoshakele.
ngishakela
Then wena machichu yekeleni uyekiswa yikho ukuthi soyibhubhudlile.
Mina vele like bese ngifuna ukuyeka hayi.
Oh bosofuna hayi ungathi bosofuna ukuyeka bosofuna ukuyibhubhudla.
Ah. Yeah, ish.
Eya,
Yeah. No, but yeah.
eya.
Ish. Yabona ke. Like bengifuna ukuyeka guys, bengifuna ukuyeka. Ish.
ame sifuna kwayeka amachichi shemanye yabona it's
Nakhona
hamba
bengisola
wena.
after.
yeah
Say two.
say two
No too.
yeah
Mina mara yo ngisolile yo.
nami
Angisolile too much.
same
Like bengikhala nokukhala ebusuku
Yo.
ukuthi like yini lento engiyenzile like
cause
yo
cause
bengisola.
cause mina nale vision breaker yami mara like after buma 1 week masiceda ukuheva mina naye ngahlukana naye and in the same time bengikhula bo aceda ukuntampa athi I can't do this anymore nokuthi ini ngibuyele
Tapho
ne-ex yami.
sombhubhudlele yona.
Yo athi ngibuyele ne-ex yami yo ngagula kokugcina yo nzuzu bengakhona ngihlale maybe iviki ngingadli esengondile ya bayibona nazo ithombe zami ukuthi bese
So intambo yegedlela mo.
yeah bengiyintambo le
Nale big charge. Oh, ayona mangathiwa amantombazana ku-CV abhala ama-feedback ukuthi ngalala nobani kuma-reference abhale lapho ukuthi was he good or not. Yo, angasibhala ukuthi
I mean
Doti
ngazibhala
straight. Yo.
Mina
Mina-
ngibhale cause nje hayi.
akana yabo mara mina ngazibhala ngasho ukuthi lo
Kanti wena, how was the
unaki.
experience? Because it seems like the experience wasn't nice.
Ah. Washo kanjalo. It was nice.
mara mina for
Ukuthi
mina
like mina lezi zinto njengoba ngishilo before akusinto zami like
But akekho uthi into zakhe. Nokusinaye naye uthi naye akusinto zakhe. So into zakabani.
bakhona abagirl futhi abayekazala nabo kudala
Njengobani?
bayikhulumela shem. Njengobani?
sifuna uba mention phela yo ufuna abazosilande yo asinabazali
Yazini.
don't come for us
Mina
But
ngithanda ukukhuluma
niyabazela.
ngalezi zinto.
yeah
Siyabazela bona
Siyabazela.
Cause yo futhi khona lo girl lo yo aloya girl uyazikhulumela shem yo uyazikhulumela
ubani loyo ngizoba bodyguard leni ubani loyo ngidila naye
nama ngishaya ngizalane
yeah ubani loyo
mara yo
antani
I feel bad
Yeah,
khuluma amagama abantu because kuzoba ngathi manje
as like if like sibakhuluma in a good way
yeah singaba mention
yeah manje in a bad way ayo bazosilana manje sebazositext wena
ngijwayela kabi
those kind of things sekasilanda ku Facebook so idrama
and always uhlangana naye kuphi
okay always
mhlambe bekashashaya nje hey izinto lezi
unjalo ukuthini vele always
hayi let's not focus on what he said
mara okay never mind sharp mina always besingabangani qaleni
because bathi nihlangane ku group call I think if ngirecalla kahle
yimi ngihlangane group call no shots not
yeah mina yabo ku group call right
now always
nawe
yeah
mara like you always
2 for 2
yeah mara always
no
bengahlangana no group call no konzalo ukuthi like asikaze sakhuluma ku Facebook but yeah bethi samana bam ku Facebook yabo I think you bang text okay sabangani yabo okay sabangani kanjalo okay sabe sahlangana kuphi ebizontheni Midlands watshela nomunye umngane wami kanjalo eThabo umfishane yabo watshela naye okay ngoba kathi into njalo ngabe inkinga okay mase kuya man sibhizi safonelana hey ini anje ukuthi angithandi ngithawu sekasa udlala ngami hey izinto ezinjalo yabo okay ngacala ukujulana wethu ke yeah ngalokatshela nami
jena nahlukaniswa yini
angithi ngisho ukuthi yimi like ngimhethile
ngenxa ka Banele RC
yeah Banele RC asesina
so wena vele boyifuna into ecijile ne
tecijile kanjani
lena ngithakana
na besides lokho
bofuna into ecijile wena
no akuthi bengafuna into ecijile okay guy came first then she came after
okay
yabo
so the guy had so much power nje
no besides guy like communication you are saying communication like because we were talking on Facebook yabo yeah zangabe ne phone so yeah
then when indaba yakho no short ku group call what happened
okay so like name ayinsi mina obvious being iskatha member and then yena bekayi Teddy Boy so umngani wami omunye nje ogelwe kumngani wami oHontsi which is nice she was part of iskatha fam so yeah
no
so ugirl wasitshela egroupini ezamaskatha ukuthi guys ama Teddy Boys but bafuna like ukuba yifamily and so forth you know
so ama Teddy Boys they were once big ne
yeah
because bashilo ukuthi hey they were very big as much as amaskatha
not very but they were big
ama mina ngithi cup for amaskatha
Skata
na because they were
Skata over Teddy Boys
yeah they were so beautiful amaskatha mabahlangene futhi so beautiful
yeah
but manje
phelile yabo
phelile
so ugirl asitshela sathi okay ithi bas add groupini ngena and then bas add ku WhatsApp mabas add kanjalo okay sharp kube izinto zokuthi siyakhuluma and then besithanda ngenza like I group call yabo sikhuluma so vele mina bengakabajwayeli kakhulu like bengakabi free so mina bengizithulela nje ku call bo and then kwaba nalela ngalelo ukuthi okay sharp owethu ngithi yena vele bese katshela noHontsi and then ushort ngathi like bekangifuna yabo angazi mara ya so nami benginayo lento le yakhe like ukuthi okay sharp ushort like ngamjola bo endinyama
ngoba muhle umngani wami yo
and yeah ngicela ne
okay so
yeah
wena ngathi uyawathanda abangani bakhe ne ama boyfriend wakhe ngathi nje unawo nje
no ushort vele like
Shavi
ushavi naye umthathile
no ushavi is not my akusumuntu engamention ukuthi like umuntu wami
Yeah, but ngathi uyayithanda ama leftover ka.
No, hayi ukuthi ngiyawathanda
Skat.
ama leftover like you short vele like umngani wami.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, and then kwenze ukuthi kena senze bayenze i-group call which is besi-4 kuleyo call ne. So it was me, Khonzi vele.
Somhlophe.
Yeah, Somhlophe always nayo shots. And then yakhulunywa ke egroupini sharp. Shuthi like always no Khonzi baphume egroupini yabo. Ay sale sithu khona shots. Ay sikhulume ke sharp. Kube into ukuthi vele case siyajola yabo. Angisendele ithome zakhe ngimsendele zami. And then that was the first time ngimposta ku status.
No, but post every day most.
No. Usha yazini ngifuna ukukhuluma mara ngimposte kayi1 mina
Post engakho nox.
Umposte kayi2 status
na ku Facebook. Yeah.
Phela nakhona ku story.
Exactly.
Akusi post as like ithombe ma uploader. No.
Kwenze ukuthi sijole kena no shorts yeah kwaba into on sahlangana
Nakhona banihlangana ngomncwabo ne.
Ngomncwabo bese sihlukene bese sixabene futhi because
Angithi wena slow.
No,
angikho slow yazi bayazi nabantu engijole nabo
But slow.
yena angithi phela angazi bayathi ngislow why vele uzongitshela kahle maka ya uzongitshela shem so yeah sajola and then kwaba nelanga lokuthi sihlangane as amaskatha nama Teddy Boys like besenza photo shoot yabo obviously besahlanyela like ama photo shoot izinto ezinjalo hayi sharp usihlangane vele and then nano shots ishoot esithu yabo ngabi nalento leyo ukuthi hayi man ushots akasekho da cause why mina ngisaseda obviously like yabo anye ngibone vele hayi sharp
Oh, that's why about to slow shoot.
yeah surely
Okay.
and then always was the one who was taking us pictures yabo I shoot again and then mase sibuyele emakhaya like uthatha angazi if bekalahla ifone ngoba kwenzakalani ngowethu and then asend ithombe mangasenda kanjalo ke ngiyabona ithombe yo ngapost ivideo ku WhatsApp ivideo yami no shots yo bonke umuntu ayicela leya video yazini bayireshare nje kwaba istory nje yabo angathi yazini le ngifuna ku Facebook angisi ngitshela ukuthi mina ngiposta noma yini ne relationship yami ngaposta ke ay and yo ihambile le video like ihambile shem hangimangela umuntu ke after isikhathi hebathungu usend message yo ngiyayiviewa le message yo ntwana
yazi vele umuntu makasend text
yo like mangibona le text yabo inhliziyo yami yabitha fast ngaba like hayibo yini manje ngo short like ngiyenzeni yabo cause ayikho into wrong bengiyenzile cause that day besibuyoshootha like yonke into beyi right yabo hayi so ke umuntu angitshela ukuthi like bekangekho sure ngalento besiyenza yena umove on ngibe sharp ngareact like ku text yakhe ngathi okay ngaphuma lapho cause mina like mina mangijona ama lesbian
Wahamba umgudla ku Facebook.
yeah cause one thing about me if you do
nakhona ushay indirect
cause mina ne like if you do or say anything that is gonna hurt me obviously I'll have to do the same thing like ngizoyenza into ezokhetha and bengi like sure bengi pretty sure ukuthi le post le izomhlaba cause ngiyazi uyi lesbian and obvious mangimention amabele anyeke phela ngiphathe kahle yabo ngiphathe kahle so nami ngashaya post ke ngiyabona le post le iyahamba yo ngayidelete after isikhathi kwathuleka nje mina bengisho ukuthi vele like uzofuna ukupay revenge angigudle yabo ay kanti yena uzobuya ke sesikhohliwe nje sonke ku Facebook eyangiboyela ayilabe sengigo plus vele bengigowa like ungikhethe vele ngigowa yabo ay angigudla ye
Like
ayangigobisa more yazi yo ngafila down plus bebamsupporta ke abantu abaningi yo bebamsupporta yo mangigudla ye that's when angazi ke ngizwe iphathi ukuthi mina bengifuna ukuzibulala
hey yeah
hayi
cabanga sobulala umuntu
like mina
onamabele
bengafuna ukuzibulala guys uke ngabona like upost ukuthi like upost nje ama yini ngizothini
Set
set post yeah nama broken hearts izinto ezinjalo like bengihethekile nje hayi ukuthi bengifuna ukuzibulala no nyeke ngizozibulala lesbian nakhona
Bohetswa abafana.
Umuntu ochama nje ngathi
ohlala phansi etoilet makachama it's not like uyama how it's not like uyama
baka being for real.
nakhona sithu sigcoka ama pads
Why sonke samaphiroti?
Exactly. What if nanga like na the time isihlangano bekalifakile? Yabo. So nje ngeke mina ngizohetha umuntu ofaka ipads. Sorry short nemara hayi.
Wena
ngoba vele
Mina yenzeni?
ubani obekhethile?
Uye, yena ungihethile shemo shots yo. Mara so ukuthi like bengahetheka ngaleyo ndlela
to that
leyo.
point.
Yeah. Cause like mina yo bengisase happy shem. Ene besingakayi kude into ebhlungu. Yo besingakayi kude.
Ngathi bokhetchi.
Usheshe waki yeah bengikhetchile usheshe waki up.
Bengingakayi kude
So
like
besingakajoli isikhathi eside.
But you're there for a short period of time.
Short essay.
2 lines.
Yeah.
But you were short essay.
It was not even a paragraph nje. 2 lines, 3 lines. Kwaphela bo.
Kwaphela.
So yeah, mara si right manje no short yazi. Si right shem. Yeah.
Okay. Anitshele. Nina nihlangane kanjani nina?
Thina.
Yeah.
Hlangana kanjani bani?
Mina unokusimazela ku Facebook like bekumuntu ukuthi okay like besama Facebook friends
Yeah.
Vele
Nami
besikhuluma ku
nopha-
Facebook because
Yeah.
besingakahlangani.
Cause ngibengamcela ngathi like girl umuhle bese ngicela like ubumngani wami. Sharp ke sabangani.
Nami ngavuma because like besiku same level vele yabo.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, so ke saba abangani ba ku Facebook kuphela. Yeah.
Yeah, sibesalwa eqaleni.
But ngathi nithembani futhi nibuye indlela namadoda ngoba.
No, bekuyindaba last year vele.
Oh. Okay.
Then umthandi
Yo,
Ubani?
bathi umthandi.
Umthando muphi?
Usiyabonga. What about him vele?
ubani oshaya omunye ngestina phakathi kwakhe noShavi?
Okay, like umthandi ne cause
Umaloya?
no. Umthandi.
Baningi mos.
Oh.
Lokushintsha amagama bani umunye.
Yo,
Maloya.
and baningi shem yazi yo baningi shem. Ay, mara ya kwenzekile and angisabuyele emuva. Yeah, so umthandi ne uyi ex yami kahle. Ubona manje. Yeah, uyi ex yami cause sijole from grade 6.
Hayibo.
Yeah, from grade 6 lokho sijola naye sihlukana until grade 11 till last year nje silokho sijola sibuyelana yabo.
So seyishayile manje.
Yeah, manje child and there forever. Like child, it's child. Like I'm not going back.
Cause understand ukuthi ufunani ne.
No, besides that, like I'm not going back. Mina sengifuna like qhubekela phambili. Yeah.
Awusho vele. Mawucabanga ngebody count ka Nox ithi.
Ningayimention.
Be honest mfethu. It's a safe space where you can talk.
Manje ufuna wonke umuntu manje ayishingusami.
Ay mina ngazi shem Nox. Mina uNox angimazeli yazi. Cause like asikho
Close to that point
that
because akusidala
extent.
siqeda ukulungisa mina naye.
izinto yeah.
Yeah.
So
Kanti-
angimazeli.
Kanti nisuke nilwelani vele?
Besiliswa like ukudlana ngisofika lapho. Ku fight yethu.
Yeah, aske siye lapho manje. Nisuke nibangani?
Mina ngicocala shem because ngazi yonke into vele.
Okay.
So like ne ngibe ngaposta something ku Facebook.
About me.
No.
Ngobani?
Like bengizipostele and then lo wazingena so false lo. Unox wazingena yabo. Asho like something nje ebad kuma comments. And then yasuka lapho ke sagudlana yabona ama post kuyahanja nje.
Oh, mara
Sakudlana,
mina yazi mina
sakudlana.
iqale kanjani best friend yakhe umoyi. Bekafaka like ifrontal. Like esifanisa nje ngozinqumalo. Ngathi ngokuthi ufake iwiki kagogo wakho so manje ufuna isifanisa nozinqumalo yabo. Manje le post leyo angazi bathi abobhabi ngathi kustomunye umfana kanje wathi abobhabi bathi bayeza bazongilanda nge-screenshot ngathi bafuna ukuza banganyela ngicela baze bazongilanda so yeah
so
Cala
sakudlana ke
Sakudlana.
nonokusi abantu nje bebachazekile yazini yo like that day siyenzile ubumnandi nje ku Facebook
Abosizwe.
iFacebook
Like yini leni ilwela?
ukudlana.
abona ama post ayikho ekuhlaba njenge post yo
Ayi,
like mama
post
postela wena
iyahlaba,
uyabona
yo.
ukuthi okay sharp lo muntu postele mina and then obvious uzofila small nawe and then uzofuna ukwenza the same thing uposte back then izogcina ibambana vele so ugirl angifonele ne isikudlane K sharp the next following day shuthi like ugirl angifonela athi yazini asiqede le ndaba ngokuhlangana sibambane yabo sibona ukuthi kahle ubani ngithi mina okay sharp plus lebantu bengisahamba nabo nje yazini mara sikho lapha yabo sihlangane nonox futhi nje before sihlangane uyangifonela ngicela ngayenzi live anyabona live phela kule live like it was my first time ngireach 500 viewers ku live yabona hayi okay into on ba busy hamba phabi umshayi anami phela nyabona nyakhuthala yabo niba nalento leyo ukuthi okay ngizithembile sharp ngihambe ngiyageza ezwa ngageza kwaba right ngilanda abangani labona labantu bekwabangani bami akusasa abangani bami mbalandi mangibalanda kanjalo sikhuphuke ngendofa ya mall iyo mangithi igroup engakanani baza nonox cause kule fight kusuke abantu abasuka like eSnake Park zone 7 zone 9 zone 1 like bekugcwele nje yabo
It was like Shanti and Tido, ne?
yeah
Type
mara
of
ku
vibe.
Shanti and like no Tido
benza
bekungagcwelanga
kancane
yo ngefight yethu bayenza nevlog
abafazi bagcwele lapha
bekugcwele like bekubonisa ukuthi vele
So
kulabantu
wena ufuna ukukhipha ninkani vele?
yeah
hayi sihlangane vele ngifaka iduka abangani bami phela
nami
Bekhona ama breaks
nami ngicina ama
Nayi.
braids
sihlangane le backgroundini wase zone 5 cause ngase Kaslam vele hayi sharp
Akusezone
shuthi
4
round
kanti?
1 season 5 lapha round 1 hayi silwe angikhipha ibhoko girl iyo khona lapha labika like cause like uthole ipower yokumisela phansi and then angidonsa ibhoko ngiyabona la kuvela ipaint angavele ngathi yazini ngiyashaywa mina la ngisazingeni angidonsa nedu ilabe sengenze like khona so sengiprotect inywele phela
mara
manje
like ungayimention it
Yabo.
don't mention it
hayi sala ke round 2 the very same thing happened yo angishaya
yeah mara like
ngabona ukuthi no yabona la ayingangamshe mnyakithi hayi bathi abangani bami yazini ungayikini asahambe like yoshama 2 ube right like ukhokha umoya yabo hawu ugirl khona ugirl bekathatha ivideo le video leya
Le
le
uze nini?
25 viewers nge just now not viewers 25 shares nge just now
akusu pretty tape
yena Chuma
uyi
uphumzile tape
yeah
yabani?
uphumzile
ya uye bekayenza ivideo ke okay sale ngimcela ukuthi ayidelete akafuni ngathi hayi okay sharp yazini because vele seyidlulile yabo yeah yo ngitrendile ngalela langa yo mangifika kithi ngiyabona like mangena ku Facebook yimi abanye bangenze neyitika kuningi nje bahlekisa ngami ngathi yo ayazini ngiyamblock lo nhlana lo
nami
ngamblock
bahlekisa ngami
ngamblock unoxi almost for a month I guess ngamblock for a month cause mangizombona kuzobuya lento leyo ukuthi konje yabo
Konje,
cause ngibengafila down why mangiphumele estradeni yo ende wuye cause mina vele like ngiyaziwa vele so wonke umuntu bekanayo le video leya cause khona nabanye abantwana like age group nje incane mangiphumele estradeni bathi bamshayile yabo lezo zinto lezo cabanga so abe sengifila small ay ngabona la ngitrendile kanti izofika kumamami umama ngibuza ukuthi why ngenza so like ngimuhle kanje ngilulana nakhona estradeni yabo izinto ezinjalo ngamtshela ukuthi hey mama like umuntu lo bekangisukela nani and then umama besekafuna ukuthi simlande yabo ngathi hayi it's fine cause like besilwa nje yabo sayidlulisa ke indaba and then angithi since ngimblock level so mangiblock kanjalo kwaba no girl like ozongitexta kuma futhi akangitextanga like umtshele kuma comments ukuthi unokusufuna like ipeace yabo ngithi mina yo okay userious athi ya ngicela unblock yabo unblock vele unokusi K-Sharp ngimbuza ukuthi like is it true ukuthi vele ufuna ipeace and stuff athi ya K-Sharp salungisa ke izinto zethu saba right
from then
ke sesi right yabo till today
azange ngisala
No.
like angisafuni ukulwa literally like nabo bonke abantu bengilwe nabo kwangisho noNjunju naye ngenza ipeace naye because angisafuni into esongibangela umsindo njalo.
but nina wayengakazi nganibona kule wank show lebeyiphusha cause bonke uNjunju nobani babegcwala lapha
mina ngaya kayi-1 ku-wank show
Nangazi
like I only went there kayi-1 nje yeah and yo nazo leza ithome leza yize ezingenza ukuthi like ngibe more popular okay singathi popular ngithanda ukuzinika spotlight mara yayo yize ithome ezenza ukuthi like
wena boyeni ithomba i-podcast
wena ukhuluma nge-wank show angazi ngayo yeah
oh yeah for i-photo shoot
yeah
okay yeah ku-photo shoot ngasuphakamisa abantu abaningi e-photo shoot
yeah yena yeah cause
because
uyashuthayo
ayisombe shemayini uyasithatha
wenk uyashaya isithombe
ayisho
yo
ngiyayithatha icup
okay no ngiyaniswa and then so awufuna ukusitshela i-body count yake
mina
What is
ngiyazi i-body count kanokusi ngicela
Nox, what's your body count?
no right
What
my
is clear,
privacy no I can't thank you
serious
yeah
shithi ufuna ngivundule indaba ke phela
hayi ungazivundula ngeke uzithole
okay
azona ngeke uzithole cause literally ngiheva nabantu aba private not aba public
but kunale assistant teacher lepo busy nayo
yo
mina ezinye indaba ngizizwa manje yazi
yakuphi leyo
angaze ngibe business assistant teacher literally so assistant teacher iyo beyifuna mina and mina
Wena
bengamfuni
bongayifuni?
yes
hayi
cause
bathi abantu mos benifunana nini
besifunana
yeah
hayi ku right ke
unkulumo sihlezi khona
hawu yazini
Yazi
abantu
yena.
behlezi bekhuluma and mayithi uyabheka kina bobani thina ayibona bayawonda bayazaca ngendaba zabantu ngoba thina vele mina nginandaba vele mina ukuthi uthini ngani mina uhayi shema nginandaba mina
kanti khambeni ngi-assistant teacher le
hey ni lutho
hey yabona ukuthi ngathi khona kushaya amanzi
lutho
What do you guys think?
about
no I'm just asking people in the comment section
hey ningakhomenti nje ezinye izinto ngoba ngizonilanda one by one
ma uthawu safuna ukulwa
wayethanda ukulwa Nox?
uyathanda ukulwa
and amantombazane yazathanda ukulwa kakhulu sengibonile yo
uze futhi uthi une-asthma why ubuthanda ukulwa
guys angina asthma apparently I was trying to protect myself
oh okay
anyabona ukuthi talent asthma shema ayivikele yazi Njunju umtrape
oyamsaba uNjunju kahle kahle
yo hlanyiwe
okay xolisa ubhekile xolisa
uyazi sixolele singabangani right now as we speak
serious
yes bese sonke BTS sihlezi sonke
BTS
esikolweni
oh njengoba ningezanga
yeah
beniyakhona
yeah
okay kwenzakaleni khona
BTS
yeah
akwenzakala ngani
besifunda nje
besifunda after
from
party
7 to 4 and then 4 igroove until ekseni
yeah ngoba umuntu beka yo hey
so you guys like groves ne
yeah mina ngithanda igroove yabona without groove savannah futhi there's no life for me
yo hey
cause angithi yela ke ngiqeda inkinga yabo
but someone would argue and say it's a temporary solution what would you say what are you going to say to that how do you respond to such comments if it's okay yeah you're saying isiqeda inkinga it's a solution but it's temporary like you see
mina nje ngalungisa impilo yami lapho
mara kuse-solution uqeda inkinga like ngokutshwala
Awumtshela mhlawumbe
Ah, it's
awumnika
not a
advice as a friend.
solution.
Is she a heavy drinker?
Like for the day. Umuntu ukuthi angiphuthe stress yabona manje. Yeah, ngifuna isavana no. Yeah. For that day.
But ungaphuza every weekend mos.
Mina?
Wena?
Oko mina. Yabona nje ngiyaqeda ukubhala nje. Nisazongibona.
Uyaphuza.
Beke.
Uyaziphuzela,
Mina
Shem
nje
Notes.
ngiyaziphuzela. Mina.
Uphuzela kuphi?
Tavern. Mina ngiyangibone like ngiphuze tavern. Like I'm too young. Like talk to me nicely. What trying to say? Ngiphuze tavern mina. Ucabanga sengijeva nabo umkhulu. Imagine. Cabanga sengijeva nomkhulu wami tavern.
So maniqeda kuphuza niyapi?
Mina nyakithi mina.
And is it true ukuthi bathi wena ubamba ibhanji?
Mina.
Yeah.
Yami ibhanji. Ekubeni ngizikhiphele yami imali. Yeah, noma sikuthiwani.
So liba awukazi ubamba ibhanji.
Angazi ngabamba
Akekho uzokhomenta athi ubamba ibhanji.
Okay, ngibeka bambe ibhanji towards abangani bami
Yeah, but always.
Bathi always.
Yeah.
Akushuthi ke ngiyayibamba ibhanji lemina ayimnandi ibhanji ke. Ayo ni mnandi. Ayo ni dawa kamnandi. Yona.
Oh. Ungavumi uvumele bona.
Angithi basho kanjalo.
No, but you can. That's why you're here to defend and argue to such comments.
Hey,
That's why I brought you here. Because if bongekho lana, obviously,
Okay,
it's like phela manje ngathi awukho.
ibhanji angilibambi.
Nazo.
Mina ngiyazikhiphela yami imali.
Ngithi yabo.
Yami imali.
Niyezwa guys.
Yeah.
Akabambi ibhanji.
Angibambi ibhanji.
Please, akabambi inikele umsuku.
Ema uzowazi ama comment ayunama ngiyalibamba ibhanji. Bani benibanga isicelo labantu labo.
Woo, okay. Dilo ngitshele. Uzoshutha nginawa ne.
Awukhuluma.
Kwenzakaleni kwi guest house? Manibuye butch.
Bona le ukuthi ngicedele.
Awuphuzele sis.
That's inkulu into eyenzakele lapha.
Yo Nashem ezinye indaba ngiqala ukuzizwa today yazi.
Anhle kusola phela indaba lezi.
Yazini.
Abangani bapha bami.
Umngane wakho yamazi.
Mama lona wathula kuphi?
Yeah?
Ithola kuphi le ndaba le ama guest house? Like I wanna know cuz I'm shocked.
How?
You'll never know me.
When I got to news reporters. No. Melo sebenza SABC News straight. Mara sharp guest house. Guest house akwenzakala next wehlala ama games.
Hayi.
Abahlala ama games nakhona
But
labatheka.
that's not what I know.
Yeah?
That's
Kwenzakala
not what I
ukuthi.
know.
Yeah?
That's not what I know.
What do you know?
I wanted you to break the ice because it's cracking already.
When okay, ungijala ukuthi like was in.
No, I wanted
Mina
you to address the
highlights.
matter.
Then yena uzo explain.
Yeah.
But the stuff happened there
Kwenzakale
at guest
ini?
house.
Kwenzakale ini? Ukuthi ngibe have sex nomuntu.
Yeah.
Really? True. Ha.
So it happened then.
No, and then niksi kanjani ngisase ijiji la because mina mangibreak ngikhumbula kahle ngibreak ngo-October. Kahle.
So nothing happened. with
Nothing
yourself?
happened because besidlala ama games uya nomuntu okuchazayo ekamereni uyamncabuza. And mina nomuntu lo bengihambe naye ekamereni bekathi hayi mina ngikhalele manje ngathi sorry but shame.
Bekakutshelile vele mos.
Yeah.
Then why were you not interested?
No, I can't be a day night stand. Talk to me nicely. No.
Like it's a red
Kai
flag.
tlhompha nna.
Okay.
Yo.
But nile kamereni.
Yeah, sile ngimncabuzile ngimncabuza kamnandi.
Yaphelela lapho.
Yeah, kushuthi mina ngimthene on kahle.
Wena zange utheneke on.
Not really, mara yeah.
But you said the kiss was nice.
Yeah, the kiss was nice, but azange
Which means you
ngimthene
were on.
No.
Okay. Wena namanga yakubhodlisa ubona ukuthi hayi khona you're not telling the truth.
Excuse me, sorry. Yeah. Makaya sinzaka nix.
Serious?
Enyafunga sinzaka nix. Sorry.
Phela like yazi abantu ne baba nokuthi manizoya guest house ayikho like into engeke ihlala ingayenzeki.
Yeah.
Vele.
So
kahle
ukuthi badlene
Obvious.
Bangazi ukuthi
Yabo.
like nakhona like if like
abantu
bedlene.
bayapha kanje.
Yo
Yo,
nakhona if
excess.
like bedlene mina nomuntu akhona bengizozwakala like obvious you scream when you put the njombe inside me. Yeah, oh yes, bengizoscream because bengisasijijo yabo.
And then when ababa bakaze bakusa kwi discipline camp.
Yo bebafuna.
I think kusithatha zonke le
Yazi,
ndaba lena.
yazi.
Okay,
Like
let's
I'm so shocked. Discipline camp.
Yeah.
Like,
poster.
Yeah.
No wonder why. Yeah.
Angithi vele mina ngiposta yonke into like
Then
bebafuna ukungisa
because of
lapha.
because of stowed.
Mara kunamntana onyekostoti la. Akunamntana ostoti la eSouth Africa.
No, like
Innocent
bese ngibahlulile shem abazali. Yo. Bengihlezi ngibuye ebusuku ngenza izinto nje ezirong ezibheke eceleni
Then bese
mangifuna ujayiva
uyabuya.
ngiyaziphumela.
Yeah, then bese uyabuya
Those
isikhambela
kind of
amanga la uthi body
things.
count umuntu oyi1. Ngithi yabona.
No, like for real, body count uyi1, like just one.
Uyakholwa wena.
Yeah, ngiyamkhola.
Wena vele ukholwa yonke into.
Hayi okay
Kanti wena
ngiyamkhola.
ngithembi. Hayi bo guys, no, body count yami ku1.
Mina-
Sekho lapho body count.
How?
Nakhona nje nayo I
Okay, yeah, since like ungibuza body count minimum 5. Maximum 5, minimum 3.
Hayi.
So like uzoguess when ukuthi like ingaki.
Okay.
it's 5.
No, it's not 5.
It's not 5.
4,
It's not 4.
3,
It's not 3.
It's 8.
Ah!
7, 6.
Nyadash 4.
4.
So hash.
Mara
Yabafuna
ngingangijudge.
But unokusingathi uthanda izinto ne?
Too much.
Too much.
Oh.
Not even too much, 3 much.
Uke wahlangana noSindle?
Matata.
Yazi.
Yeah, ngibe ngahlangana
Abantu abahluphayo ku social media.
Yeah,
Faka uSindle uzobona we.
Yeah, futhi like ngingajolana noSindle.
Ah.
Yeah.
Cause bewapost.
Ngibe ngaposta ngathi me
ukuthi how
versus the guy
the guy that I got.
yeah,
or
who took my heart.
whatsoever,
Yeah, something like that. Anyabona abantu bayahleka. Mathi ayisinhle ukujolana nawe shema angeke inkinga. Sorry but.
Hawu kanti
Sorry.
unabuya ngama comments?
Huh?
Unabuya ngo Facebook?
La ukuthi bengiye ngo Facebook reputation phela. Yeah, abantu phela angithi uyazi.
Kanti what's wrong ngoSindle?
Hayi uSindle udume kabi hayi.
Udume ngani uSindle?
Udume kabi uSindle. And like uSindle ngibe ngahlangana naye 2024 and then akakhumbuli yena. Ngibe ngahlangana naye 2024 sisedobsenville. Yabona a tsamaya nalona athi mina nawe sihamba so shoot aneme angishootha nawe sa upload yabo. Ngithi hayi kanti uyangifoster nakhona ngicela athi asambe so shoot umuntu akhona. Akona bengifanele ishot engakanani ngisasejitshe ngizibusa Nkosi yami. Yabo?
Umkhalele.
No yena bekahalele mina.
Oh.
Yabo. Yeah. Shai uSindle udume kabi literally mara angimkhulumi kabi angifuni manje angigudla yabo.
Nami that's why bengafuna ukujolana noSindle.
Nawe bekufunda.
Bengikhona.
Ma like
Bangiposta nokungipost uSindle. Khona le trend le trend man ku Facebook le ukuthi gents relax, hey what's your name?
oh yeah
Ubona
gents gents
Yeah.
relax I got this
Wayija ice cream.
sisuyayijaphusi yabo izinto
Yeah.
ezinjalo yeah.
angipost ngamtshela ngathi no mina I'm fine. Bo.
Hey guys.
Yeah, so uSindle uye umuntu engathi ngaba umngane hayi ukuthi ngijole naye never
But now is friends with benefits, ane?
hayi ngeke
Still?
yeah cause bekaloku angitext na before azothola umntwana
Ah.
nakhona before azojola nalo girl yani njoba abasajola no girl
Ah.
akangitext boy I was at K ini wena nokusinya
Uzokumarinate.
khalele and futhi athi amavideo ambeka sasenawo last
So sabuka namanzi.
athi yo athi ayisheme yabona ifonini ungikhalisa kancane uma ngaza face ungangikhalisa more so
Shona wamtshela ukuthi lapha futhi bengisasomntwana bengisafunda manje sengumaster manje.
nona besides
Ngeke.
usindla ngeke shem actually nje ukuthola nomuntu ku Facebook
Eish.
hayi at least IG yabona Instagram better IG manje
I true shame yo.
problem i-grade trouser mina ngininkinga abantwana abafana bangena isikolo
Yeah, but now sesikoleni mos.
yeah ngright angifuni umfana usangena isikolo for ini
So namanje uJohn umjito ongafunda isikole.
yeah actually thinga mention ngoba ngibusy nabantu babantu
Yo uzoshaya mos wena.
mina shem noma bathi like yabona noma ngaphuma le video le since like izophuma bathi hey wena nokusini mina ngiyincenye mina makathi uyahlukana ngibuza uthi kwenzakalani ini solution sahlukana noma hlukani makathi hey ini ngithi sharp ngiphuma kuwe akumakamele
Kanti what do you
ulokhasa
benefit kulabantu laba?
angibenefit nix yazini literally angibenefit nix
It's just that when uloku yabagaya futhi for free.
angibaphi for free angibaphi literally angibaphi
Yabancisha.
yeah ngiyabatshela ngisemaphirodini
But not always ukuthi uhlezi sema-periodini.
yeah nyazi
But bashasha.
yeah manje uhlangana nabo nifaka ipads
Also you amanye ama trick now ne?
yeah bese mangiceda ngithatha imarker eready ngifaka
Because now uthi awukho ready babona kahle ngizokwenza ukuthi ube ready.
yeah bese
Like
qeda
for what?
umfana yakho akukhumulise bamba iphusi yakho ngenkani ngithi papa wayihlwela ke ukodi protein mina beka sasa unama ngifaka ipads mali bangithi makathi uyakopa uyabona okay yeah
Umfana go to that extent.
yeah
No, I
Wabona?
don't know, Shem. I don't know.
Mina
Mara
like
bakhona abafana
like
capable
yeah
of doing that
capable
because bayifuna lento le like umfana makalambili
yeah
Angenza
uyayifuna
noma yini Shem.
ayifuna
Yeah.
Omunye ngalishaya khona linje.
Phela abafana bayalamba yo. Sorry to say guys.
ayilalapha
Mara
shem
bayalamba,
lapha
yo.
Nina?
lapha mina
Amantombazana ayalamba makayazifihla.
yeah
Ngeke akubonisa ukuthi okay sharp
yeah
intombazana
ngilambile ke
ilambile.
manje
Yeah.
ayi mara mina angazi yazi ngami yazi
Mara mina
Oh
ngilambi.
niyajampisa.
mina ngilambi yazi
Olambi.
noma ngilithanda lona
Bathuna
mara
namanje ngathi
ngilambile
ulambile mos.
indlala le angiyedlini ngifuna ukudla abona ithi washo kanjalo
Yeah?
washo kanjalo
No.
sho phela ukutheni inkinga phela hawu kanti
No ngibona reaction yakho.
ukuthini
Like uyithanda le topic.
And because uyakhuluma kakhulu.
And
akusinto zawo.
Wena uthi akusinto yena uyabona ukuthi
get
maka like ibhayibhile
yena ngathi ufuna ukusuka umathi mina ezami ngoba akazifuni ezami.
kahle ufuna ukuthi ngihlalele kanje yona le
No, mina I'm not saying ezakho senyasho ukuthi like bonisa ukuthi mina like angina interest nje ngale topic angikhulumi next angizingeni.
Yena active ne?
Uke wahlangana nomfana oyi-10 off. No.
yo baningi
Umfana unjani i-10 off?
mfana nento engaka anantwana ngizokutshela namasiqeda la anumazi kahle hle bekakhona iBTS
I wonder why.
uyama
Unento engaka?
unento engaka yo akanayo ngisho
Athi
nani
futhi niyakhala mos mangabe soba nento
no akamela ukuthi benkulu akamela ukuthi bencane kumele ibe kahle ezothi
But
sisifane
manje inkinga akazikhetheli mos.
hayi maka umfana mambona ukuthi lo this one has a biggest one.
uShaka Zulu.
Hayi. Uma umbona ukuthi into encane, ayi. Lo umbona ukuthi perfect. Yeah, right.
Hayi no that's
Mara ngeke uphile the rest of your life ungayitholanga. Yeah. Ngoba kokho bethu nebayenza lento le.
so I avoid ngani
Hey, my flashbacks.
akwenza ufuna more
Not really.
ukwenza
Ngalondlela
nama
le.
flashbacks
My flashbacks kulomfana lo bohave naye. Yabona mbona ukuthi ayo. Hayilo beka yenza into yakhe. Yabona lo 13 days mina ngiyamvuma shema ngifuna uqamba umanga. Ha!
usengabuyela nakuye namanje
Never angibuyele emuva nami.
serious
Cause what was beka thengile umngane wama flower for me. But it's okay. It's part of life. Nami ngizowathola ama flower. One day. Mark my words. Ngizowathola.
Usamthanda owethu.
Guys, anytime mina naye singabuyelana. I mean na yabona nali khaladle lajola naye. Anytime singabuyelana mina naye. Mara nethi nje angisafuna ukumosha imishado yabantu even though ngibhizi nabantu babantu yabo. So yeah.
Yini kahle kahle wena kwenza uthanda abantu babantu?
Bamnato. Babathu bambabe school. Hey,
wena
Yeah, wena Bobby usamthanda shot.
No. A
Ngiyakuzwa.
big no, no.
you
cause umhethile umngane wami.
Yo,
umhethile. Hayi nomhethile.
Ngisamthanda nje ayisekho nje into encane for yena. Ku right nje njengoba kungakhona. Siyakhuluma sikhuluma kuyafana.
609
Yeah.
Kuyafana man.
Kuyafana.
Ayike.
So yeah.
hayi no
Sana mibuzo ufuna ukuyibuza?
hayi siyayivala man
Oh, okay, sizoza kwenye yesu.
ngifuna ukubuya
Part 2.
Yeah, part 2.
Yeah, part 2.
ngifuna ukubuya
Yeah, angithona sazobuza ngemibuzo eminye because I think like osale eminye imibuzo. But yeah, guys.
hey yeah wena uyakhuluma strong
Yeah, straight talk doesn't break
Lashem.
anything usually.
Exactly.
Yeah.
okay no it's fine thank you very much guys for coming yeah don't discuss nina nitholakala ne
Asitholakali,
yeah
like
you're not easily
how?
accessible ne
We
Like
are. Nayinkinga. Nokusiyahlupha shams.
yeah and
Tata.
yeah cause nama eshowini uyohluphayo so I understand
Exactly. Iyahlupha nokuthula yo.
Nginkinga makayi ngishayela phansi abantu abafuna ukuthi bangibone yabo. Yeah, mara face to face uzobona because like abantu bathi like efonini ngirude. Ngathi ngihrenile njalo. Anenix ngiyaziphaphela mina.
Sorry.
Yabo. Bona mawufuna uhlangana nokuhlangana nami ngiyaziphaphela mina.
okay manje akusho mhlawumbe singawuthola part 2 lapha
Maybe not. Yeah.
Yo. Hey, shem noksi.
yeah so uthola part 2
Maybe. Yeah.
maybe kusazoba mnandi ku Facebook yabo
Yeah.
We're cooking something, guys. Ish.
yeah
Maraya. No.
Still
Next.
cooking, you're still cooking. Mara guys, Facebook nizobona bounce back yami.
Yeah,
Thula
same because
libhekile.
manje like ngifila ngathi enda ngiwanga.
And that's why. Yabo. Eqanda
pretend ngathi
lo.
uwile
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shayela phansi.
Shayela phansi.
And la ngizobuya khona
Yo,
bazobona.
bazobuya nange drawer, bangaze babaningi.
Ngeke
Kodwa ngeke
babuye.
babuye nange drawer.
Yes.
okay sesiyivala ne I feel like you guys you've seen a lot of stuff izinto ebezenzeka ku Facebook and you have learned a lot as ama girls nje you know yeah so what did you say maybe like to young girls abaku Facebook abasafuna lento ye fame thola ukuthi umuntu uzothola umjito phezulu afuna ukumuse for ukuthi amkhuphule and stuff like that so mhlambe it's a lot that you guys can share engasiza mhlambe ama small content creators now afuna ukuba popular or kuba known like ku social media?
Mina into engayisho ne girls ne ma Facebook na ka IG. Into mina nganjela yona. Ningabi unokusithupeni Yabo? Ayithi ngibona ukuthi banyenzeni ene banyenza izihluku. Ene mina ngibona ukuthi ngisase la emhlabeni, ngisayinje in life yami. So whoever is going to text you to tell you like isena manuthi ningavumi. Yeah, into engifuna ukuyisho ningavumi.
Okay.
Nangasini then. Like
Guys,
guys,
nizoyithole kubazalini. Hayi emadodeni wabantu.
yeah.
Thank you.
And guys, like mafuna like ukuba influencer. Nakho konke nje wena nje just push
Push lento
yeah,
yenza.
pusha mfethu uzofika la ufuna ukufika khona fane no Baby Skatha
Yeah, fana noNoxy futhi. Hayi marayi.
awuzofika cause like yabo mangapusha guys yo mara singabantu asifani ukudala abantu baphusha mara bafika abanye
Abafiki. Mara
like it's hard
This
for
is not
them
for everyone, ne?
yeah, it's not for everyone inabantu bayo lento le so yeah guys mara pushani yabo
Pushani nizofika.
Like
uNkulunkulu uzophendula
nje wena.
imithandazo yenu.
izinto ezinhle nakhona ningatrendi nje ngomsangano
Hayi ningatrend
Cause-
njengami Nkosi yami. Hey,
mara I feel like nokutrenda bad like kulethela ama followers
njengami
because
yabo.
nami if I see it fashion
Hayi.
ayingilethela
Hayi
ama
ngoba
followers.
ikhulu.
Abantu bebafuna ukumbona lo Baby Skatha oshayile nebambonile bona manje sibayangithanda abanye babo so yeah guys pushane
So
Yeah,
shoot noma
bazofika.
shoot noma mhlambe ngaba nenye fight futhi asengawina noma sowufundile ama strategies.
anyeke isaba khona mara mayingaba khona
Ungibize okushayayo ungibize. Ngizoza nje.
usho like kuNoxy or
kuNoxy.
from other people
No, kunox. Angithi uyekushayile be.
Hayi mara guys.
mude
No, like-
the
Sozokushaya futhi mos.
uzokushaya
mara
mara
like guys in like
abona
ngicela-
manje ngifundile angamgibela no
Yeah,
angamgibela ngiyakutshela
mina sinyakusaba sisukudala. Mara like guys
Oh, ngiyadlala, Shem.
lento yami ukuthi nyalo like sometimes mina nokungidisappoint yabo. Reputation.
exactly
Nabakithi vele nebathi like ngiyaba disappoint yabo mara yevele into bengayifuni ukumention. Yabo abakithi bathi ngiyaba disappoint wena uyipool fighter ini. Bazothini manje abantu bakaphakathi wena lokubhiyezu yalwa.
Yeah.
I think I've thanked you well enough for your visit. So I'd like you guys to share your social platforms on that camera then bese sizoyivala ke.
So guys, this is Baby Skatha. Ngiyadlala. So yeah guys, ngicela following more. Like ngiyawadinga ama followers akakabi enough. So just follow Baby Skatha on Facebook and that's my only account ne. Yeah, thank you.
Then, as like I said, it's a girl Noxy. Go Facebook. Then on IG it's 777_Noxy. Nokutula Pagati. Follow me, please, guys. On IG, road to 20k followers, please.
On IG.
Yeah, I'm on 11.1, but I'm feeling 20k.
Ish, mina lost
Mangathola
my
bo ma
account,
100k. Ngaba satisfied. Yeah.
Ngabe usibusiso one na ngabe uyipromote yakhe. Ngoba naye ithanda kabi.
Na guys,
promote
ngifuna
Instagram.
50 by end of the
Yeah.
end of July.
Mina end of the
50k
year.
followers, please guys.
Kuphi?
Facebook. Because
Facebook.
manje ngu 41k.
So what was?
So what was ukufika ku 50? End of July guys.
Mina ku Facebook 40k ngiba ngiku 33k. End of the year kahle take time. Yabo
End of the year, it's
ningarush.
still far yo.
Yeah.
Hayi ikude shem sasekude.
Okay, no problem. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And we are out. Yeah.